Discover how to make Daifuku mochi at home. Start by cutting the root of the strawberry. Make some balls with the anko. If you want to make the anko at home, you can find the recipe at the end of this video. Now it's time to wrap the strawberry in anko. The easiest way to do that is to press the strawberry towards the inside of the ball. And press lightly with your fingers to give it the round shape. Let's make the mochi. In the microwave-safe bowl, add the shiratamako, the sugar, and the water. Mix well. We're going to cook covered with a plate in the microwave for 1 minute. You will see that the color will start to change from white to translucent. Mix well, cover it again and put it back in the microwave for another 45 seconds. Mix again. As I still have some whitish areas, I'm gonna cook it an additional 50 seconds. Sprinkle some potato starch on a clean surface. The dough will be very hot, so carefully pour it on the surface. Shape it into a cylinder and cut the dough into 6 pieces. Shape each piece into a ball by taking the ends and joining them together. Flatten the ball, using your hands or a rolling pin. Add the strawberry and anko filling in the center of the dough. Gently push it towards the center, while pressing the edges of the mochi together. Pinch the edges until the filling is completely enveloped. If at any time the mochi starts to stick on your hands, you can add a pinch of cornstarch or potato starch on your hands. Finally, pinch the bottom of the mochi so that it doesn't open up, and finish giving it its round shape with your hands. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.